my fingers in the way.
Yes. Hi, my name is Leah Allen, and I live in Jacksonville, Florida. And I've talked to so many moms about switching my son from ADHD medication to all of this plant-based, whole, raw nutrition, and what it's done for us is just giving us freedom from pharmaceuticals for me and him. We are both off of our allergy medication. He's off of his ADHD medication, which killed me as a mom to give him that every day. The ADHD medication was an appetite suppressant, so he wouldn't eat all day long. He'd come home starving. He would be wired at night. It's a stimulant. And I would have to give him melatonin to sleep. And he started becoming resistant to that. And he just wasn't growing. The doctor, the pediatrician, told me to give him 2 Ensures a day. They had me checking his blood work, sending me for x-rays of his growth plate in his hand to make sure he was just underweight, and he was within the 5 percentile and sometimes not even on the chart. So since May of last year, when I took him off of the medication that was $300 a month and made him act like a zombie. Yeah, actually, one more little thing. When he came home from school one day and told me, my friends tell me I don't smile. And this is he looks very tired right now, but he's a very happy, energetic little boy. And for him to not smile was, that's not my little Rylan. So anyway, I just knew I needed to make a change. So my friend Rachel Garcia that I work with, we've been working together for almost 10 years now. She introduced these products to me years ago, but I just never really jumped on board. And last summer, I actually wanted to have another stream of income. So it was a win-win. I did that initially, and then all of these other great things happened. So I talked to Kim Herring. She's a dentist here in town, and she told me what she did for her boys. And I was like, I just took notes and wrote down everything she said, and I went and got everything and put it all together in a smoothie for him. And anyway, he loves it. But this is how we started it. Now he just kind of like takes everything individually, but this is how we did it for the first 9 months, just to get it in him. So it's been a life changer. Since then, he has gained 17 pounds, which, I mean, he's not overweight or anything. He just is healthy finally. He goes to bed at night. He goes and puts his head on the pillow and goes to sleep without any melatonin. He's been at camp all day today, so he's kind of filthy, but he's still an active boy, but we can actually sit in church now without him running around like a little spinning top or Tasmanian devil. I mean, he sits there and focuses and actually sometimes falls asleep. But anyway, so before there were a couple years that I avoided church because he just wouldn't sit still, and it was stressful for me. Anyway, it's a big change now, putting this stuff in his body. So I'll show you how we do the smoothie. This is how we started. But what I did at first, right before this started, is I heated up a little bit of water. And I just put 1 scoop. I do 2 scoops of sulfur for myself, but 1 scoop for him. Main reason I give this to him is because we both combat allergies and seasonal allergies. So it's like salt. You just put that in there and stir it around. And we used to both use Flonase, which was like $30 a month each. So, some people say, how much money do you spend on you and your son? It's like $130 a month. And so you think about the $300 ADHD medication and $30 for me for the Flonase, $30 for him for the Flonase, the melatonin bottles. And also I had neck and upper shoulder pain. I would take Motrin every single day. So I went through bottles of Motrin like crazy. So I've got a little blender over here. You just can't see it. So, anyway, I'll show you in a minute. But I poured that in. That just dissolves in warm water. That's the sulfur. And then the other thing that helps with allergies is the mangosteen. It's an anti-inflammatory. So we both take this, but I give this to him, and we get these awesome little measuring cups with one of our products or 2 of our products. So it's a good little measuring cup. You do 1 ounce of the mangosteen, and then we do the Goyen, which keeps him happy. You love that. He drinks this by itself now with the mangosteen every morning. But this is super awesome, and it just keeps him from just having his little anger burst and keeps him calm and chill. And and then we have just mango and frozen blueberries, and we just put that in there. That just is super yummy. I used to put orange juice in there just to kind of hide the sulfur taste, but he's so used to it now. Plus, we don't want to add all that added sugar. There's enough sugar in the fruit. And then, yes, I give my 10-year-old a whole package of energy.
But this is healthy energy.
It is. It's not like 5-hour energy. It's not like Red Bull or anything like that, or soda. Did I have a spoon around here? Here it is. Yep,
yeah.
got it. So I just go ahead and mix this up in about 6 to 8 ounces of water, and I add that to the smoothie, and it just kind of makes it a little bit more liquidy. And no, you're not going to have that right this second. And then I add that into the blender, and sometimes you can add ice, but then it gets too much, and then he has like this huge smoothie. He doesn't, can't get down. So I just want to give him as little as possible to get all of this stuff in his body. And then I give him 2 tablespoons of Mila, and this is a little scooper. It's 2 tablespoons, and I put that in there. Sometimes I'll let that soak a little bit just so it swells up. It makes it really nice and chunky and good. And then the last thing we put in there is, I used to do this. So now he's just so good. He takes one of the Daily Build, which is the multivitamin. And by the way, he just started school. He got a little cold when we started, but he hasn't been sick in a year. So that tells you, I used to take him to the pediatrician maybe every 2 months with ear infections, sinus infections, cold, just viruses, getting him on antibiotics and stuff. So anyway, I didn't even take him to the doctor this time. He just, did his silver. He sprayed the silver in the mouth. Yep. You can take that now if you want to, if you have something to drink. So he takes one of those pills. It's big, but he's fine. He's used to taking pills from before. But I used to put an ounce of the Daily Build in there, but this is amazing. I drink this plain, but it doesn't taste the best, so it would kind of mess up the smoothie taste. At first, I could hide it sometimes if I put maybe some raspberries in. It was a little bit more tart, or maybe some like organic lemonade. But again, trying to avoid the sugar, and I found out he could take that pill, so he just took it. So anyway, that's another option if your kids can't take pills. But I just put all of this in the blender, so this is about it right here. And sometimes you can add ice, but again, that might make it, fill up too much. So we'll blend it up. Sometimes if there's a little extra, I drink the rest of it. But I buy these little coffee cups at, Walmart or Publix or wherever they have them. They're just like the disposable ones, because I started sending him little sports cups to school, and then they weren't coming home, or they were spilling in the backpack. So this way he carries this on the way to school. He eats breakfast at school at his desk in the morning, but I just send him with this. See, that almost fills it up. And I'll just take a little drink of that. And then we put the lid on, and I send him with a straw, and then he's off to school. We just don't have enough time in the morning for him to just sit here and drink this. So he sips on it for about the first 30, 45 minutes, and then eats breakfast. And his teachers just love that I switched him and that we've gone plant-based rather than just giving him a pill. So anyway, he loves this stuff, right? Tastes yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy. So anyway, this is what he takes.
Chunky, though.
It's chunky one. I didn't blend it very well. So anyway, excuse the dog barking in the background. But anyway, this is it. And then he does this every morning. And then now he's so used to everything, he just kind of will down his shots of super fruits and do the Mila in there, and then he'll just take his energy in a cup on the way to school. But anyway, that's how I got it in him, and it's the best thing that ever happened to us. So if you ever have any questions, just ask me, and we've come up with all kinds of creative ways to add all of these things and put it in his body.
If you're a Jaguars fan?
Yes, go Jags. We're about to go watch the game. Thank you, guys. Have a good night. Bye.